Good morning. This is Marlene. Got a little shine on my eye. Sorry. Today is a WIP Works in Progress Civil War by Barbara Brockman. And I'm going to show you a progress what we're doing. So I've got 45 blocks that are finished. Well, we had all 50. But what I've gone through is I've added one sashing to each of the blocks. And I've made all my sashings with either a blue or a red center. And then the three different fabrics that I'm using for the beiges, or other colors, are beige backgrounds, usually. Some of them are more of a white color. But the predominant colors are these beige leaves, small prints. Yeah, that's essentially what the majority of them are. But you can see that I've put them on each of the blocks. But what I found was when I was looking through them is that, for instance, this one, I had cut off one of the points. So I used my seam ripper, zoom, and opened it up again, opened up these seams, and then reconstructed them so that the point would be evident when I put on the sashing. So I'm pleased with this one. So I've gone through and I fixed or rebuilt, I think 3 so far, and the rest are all points are present. Oh, this one's a little bit, this one needs to be fixed. See that one? This one, well, I don't know. The point is there. What do you think? This is the one that we're in question. No, I think that one's okay. I'd like to put this in a fair this fall or this summer and see where it would go with it. But it needs to, if I'm going to do anything like that, boy, it better be perfect, right? Or at least approaching perfect. So what I have then is, I think 45 that are completely ready. All their points are showing. And I also double checked to make sure that they all had enough margins on their perimeters that they would also be able to have a sashing, see right there, and the seam would not cover up the intersections. So I think let me recount these. These are the rejects right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and there's one extra. This green one that I'd never liked from the moment I made it. I've kept it out because it would have, no, it's broken too. Good, let's throw that over there. So these are the ones we're gonna fix, and then they're gonna be enough to have 50, and I can start putting the sashings on the other sides of them and start building the 9-patch cornerstones. So we have all of these yet to go. Here's another one. And we have a whole tangle of additional pieces to work with. So I think we're set. We have enough pieces. We just have to get it done. But anyway, so that's what I'm working on with Civil War. The biggest problem I've got is what I'm facing is if I have to completely redo this block, because you see all the corners on that side are gone. And I only used a very small, scant 1/4. So I may have to rebuild this block in order to use it. This block is misshapen from the get-go, and it might be a little small So if that's the case, I may have to either rebuild it or put a little border on it. I'm not sure. So that's a problem. This one was way too small, but it is all this pieced work. So I don't want to redo them. So I'm going to need to trim this border down so that it's so that it isn't an eyesore. Because I added it to make the block big enough to work with. And then this block is also too small. And it's got this applique on here. And I'm thinking maybe I will just open up a couple of these seams. I think what I'll do is I'll open up these two here, this one and this one, and either cut bigger pieces by 1/4 of an inch. I think that would look better than trying to put a border on it. What do you think? How do you make an 8 1/4 or 8-inch block into an 8 1/2 inch, right? So these are all ready to go. Whee! I'm so excited. And then let's see, from our this is what we're working with. I needed 49 9-patch cornerstones, so I'm going to make those today. I needed 118 8 1/2 inch sashings, and I made quite a few extra. So I think what I'll use is I'll use them with I'm making the 9-patch. Yeah. So that's a progress report on Civil War. I'm pretty excited about it because, this is really coming together, right? And look at how thick that is. That is really something. Okay, what are you working on today? Let's see, progress report. My husband's in the hospital, but he's doing better. And he is, he's being compliant. Is that a word, huh? For a typical man, somewhat obstinate. I was talking to my sister recently, and we're concerned about our husbands being so single-minded would be a nice way of saying it, huh? And we started giggling because, 50 years later, 45 for me, 50 for her. You think they're going to change now? No. So I don't know what we're thinking of it. People don't change that much. Anyway, so good progress report on my honey bunch. Hey, Hannah. Yes, hi, darling. There's my doggy. Hannah, I wish you could come up here and get in the movie a little more, but you're so careful to not. She just is, my previous Labradoodle would be up here with her feet here, but Hannah does not do that. No, does not do that. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. Anywho, all right. Well, y'all have a good day. I think I'll have a little short on the designer mystery block that you can see in the background there. And we'll get that up for you to look at. I did get that made. And I've also started the Berkshire blocks. So maybe we'll do a little short on that too. All right. You have all a good day. Okay, bye now.